Hi everyone, in today's video we will see JBL Tune 770NC versus JBL Tune 670NC. Specification: JBL Tune 770NC weighs around 232 grams, whereas JBL Tune 670NC weighs around 220 grams. JBL Tune 770NC has a driver size of 40 mm, same as JBL Tune 670NC. JBL Tune 770NC has ear cup depth of 4.8 cm, whereas JBL Tune 670NC has a ear cup depth of 2 cm. JBL Tune 770NC has a Bluetooth version of 5.3, whereas JBL Tune 670NC has a Bluetooth version of 5.0. Battery life: JBL Tune 770 runs up to 70 hours of playback time without ANC and up to 44 hours with ANC on. It takes around 2 hours to charge. Whereas JBL Tune 670 NC runs up to 50 hours with ANC off and up to 35 hours with ANC on and take around the same time as JBL Tune 770 NC. Sound quality: JBL Tune has a sound profile with more balanced and suitable for various genres, whereas JBL Tune 670NC has a more balanced sound profile. Comfort and fit: JBL Tune is slightly heavier but has a more refined headband and ear cup design, which some users find more comfortable, whereas 670NC is lighter and potentially more comfortable than 770NC. Active noise cancellation: JBL Tune 770NC features adaptive noise cancellation, which include ambient sound mode and a companion app for customization, same as JBL Tune 670NC, which have same adaptive ANC capabilities. JBL Tune 770NC is the better option for those seeking longer battery life, enhanced sound customization, and improved ANC features, whereas Tune 670NC has a lower weight, which make it more comfortable for some users. The sound quality is similar, with the 770NC being more bass heavy. Thank you for watching. Like this video and subscribe to our channel.